So the question is, why is mobile optimization particularly important? Well, Google now maintains two separate directories, one for desktop and one for mobile. And the reason is that increasingly Google is giving preference to mobile searches. That's what people are using these days. It's very important you do check your mobile loading speed, obviously as well as your desktop speed, but it's important that the mobile speed is as fast as possible. You can see in this case here, if you run the speed test insights from Google, if you've got a low figure like this, in this case it's 12 out of 100, that's not at all good. What you want ideally is a green figure, so you want, under optimization, you want to say either medium or good, preferably good. Now if you just search Google using the phrase something like Google Speed Insights or Google Website Testing Tool, generally you'll get to this page here. If I open this up, this is the Page Speed Insights page, and literally all you do is you just type in a URL. And there we have the results. Now as you can see, there's two different sets of results here. You've got mobile and desktop, and out of the two the mobile is the more important. So in this case I've got a medium score, which is not great. I should do some work to improve this. Ideally I want that to be green, but the point is it's not red. Red would be very bad. For desktop, again, I've got medium.